Welcome, chess family. This video is called King Pawn versus King. Now, can white promote its pawn to a queen and win the game in this position? Before you answer that question, we first need to know who move is it. Because if it's white's move, then no, we cannot promote this pawn into a queen and win the game. This game will end in a stalemate draw. Now we'll go over that in another video called King Pawn versus King Part 2. But if it's black go, then yes, we can promote this pawn into a queen and win the game. Now there are certain rules we must follow in order to successfully promote this pawn into a queen. Okay, so remember, it has to be black to go. So here's the rule. Wherever black moves to, if it moves to the side, then we must move our king opposite of black king, but we always need to move it up, advance it up a rank. So as you can see, we're on the opposite side of the black king, but we advanced our king to the next rank. Here's another rule. When black king is staring at our pawn on the same file, we must intervene or interpose and put our king in between. Okay? So, where do we go? Remember, we always make the opposite move of the black king, but we advance the rank. So now we're in the 5th rank. Now the black king is staring at our pawn. So what do? We interpose. Okay? The black king has moved to the left. What should we do? Move to the right, but the next rank. We got to keep moving up. So the black king once again is staring at our pawn. We interpose. Now, the black king has moved to the right. In this position, we break the rule. We do not advance our king to the 7th rank. So remember, when you get your king on the 6th rank, you must move your pawn till they can't move anymore. So you move it 2 squares, not 1, because we want to get this done as quick as possible. So the black king moves back into opposition. There we go. We moved our pawn till it can't move anymore. So now, obviously, we can't move our pawn, so we have to move the king, and we apply the rule once again. We move opposite of the black king, but up another rank. So once our king gets to the 7th rank, we can protect our pawn and walk it all the way to the 8th rank and promote to a queen. Check. Check. Queen check. So there you have it. Okay, so now let's look at another variation. What if black tries to trick us? So let's start off. It is black move. So where do we go? We go opposite but the next rank. What if black tries to come down and confuse us? Well, this is very simple. What we would do is just push our pawn up 2 squares. So this is called opposition, when the kings oppose each other. Now, when the kings oppose each other, just push the pawn up 2 squares. And the reason is that the pawn protects this square, so the king can't go back to e5. Also, our king protects b5, so the king can't get here either. So that means the king has to go way over here. And what we do is, when that happens, we get right in front of our pawn, because we're blocking off the e6 square. So now this king is stuck on the f file, because we are together protecting key squares on the e file. So look at black king. He advances up, we advance up. If he advances up, we advance up. If he advances up, remember, we're in the 7th rank. So all we have to do is just push our pawn. Black can't stop us. We will get out the way. If black tries to cut us off, we just check him and look. Queen. So Don't let black confuse you.